higher on this down day, but overall, it certainly has been a golden year. Gold up more than 50%, and your next guest says gold can keep going up. Joining us, Phil Streible. He is Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. Phil, appreciate you joining us. Obviously, today's kind of an odd day. I want to get your take on Bitcoin in a second, but quickly, are you a gold buyer today? It's down. Why not? Why not pick some up?
Oh, well, I mean, we're only down about $1 on the day. I'll take that than owning Bitcoin or owning the NASDAQ right now. I mean, gold has just been fantastic. And as we go into the second half of the fourth quarter, begin 2026, it looks like the momentum in gold is going to continue that bull run. 10% move in September, best monthly performance since 2016. 5% move in October, all-time highs. We're up 55% this year. Look, the global economic outlook, it continues to support gold. Globally, we're seeing many countries face declining growth, rising inflation. It creates that stagflationary environment that benefits gold. Gold, if you look at it against many different foreign currencies, the Australian dollar, British pound, euro, Indian rupee, and Japanese yen, all right or near those all-time highs. And there's really three main drivers that are going to keep this going into 2026.
I want to pivot. I'd love to get more into those drivers, Phil, but I've got to ask you about Bitcoin because gold, we could talk about gold tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday. It's still going to be around. It's been around for, a couple thousand years. Bitcoin's down big today. It's about 86,000. It was $125,000 6 weeks ago. I don't know if you saw the Tom Lee or heard it interview a couple of minutes ago where he said maybe 77,000. Looks like it could be a bottom for Bitcoin. What's your take on Bitcoin and crypto right now?
Well, okay, when you get to that outlook, you look at the April lows, the tariff lows, it was 75,000. So that seems like the next logical round number bottom on there. Guys like Tom Lee, he's trying to acquire some of these cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. So he likes the lower prices and the way they structure their product. They're issuing debt in order to purchase more to become this Ethereum treasury. So however you slice it, lower prices works for him in the near term. Now, Bitcoin futures, they just haven't done what they're supposed to do. I mean, we look at central banks, they're not buying Bitcoin. We look at investors, they are deleveraging themselves of Bitcoin. You have one of the largest outflows on a BlackRock Bitcoin just a few days ago. So Bitcoin, as far as a portfolio diversifier, maybe a small slice, but I could tell you I'd rather own gold, even oil, copper, silver over Bitcoin.
I like it. The commodities guy going deep into some of the hardcore commodities because I will say this. I'm not saying I understand everything about Bitcoin, but I do know you got to have a pretty strong stomach. It's like watching your Bears this year with that ball next to you, Phil. You think they're down, then all of a sudden Caleb Williams brings them right back. Phil Streible, really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
All right, up next, more on the